Hey, welcome back to the office. This is Motorstar signing in, and in today's video, we're going to be going over the Canon EOS Rebel T7 camera that we are giving away through the Lone Warriors and Operation TheraPic Photo a Day contest.
Make the call. Hard work, bringing on the doors in the morning. Hard work.
Hey, welcome back. Thank you for tuning into another video. If you are new to the channel, I bring you along with me as I merge my passions for photography and motorcycles. So if you like anything photography or motorcycle related and you have not yet subscribed to the channel, go ahead and click that subscribe button below. And while you're at it, don't forget to ring that bell icon to receive email alerts when I upload some new content. Yes, guys, check it out real quick before today's video. Look at that. I've been playing around with the Teespring account. I'll drop that link down below in today's video. I got a coffee mug, a couple sweatshirts, just really kind of feeling out that whole merch thing here on YouTube. And really what I'm trying to do is kind of help add some value to the Lone Warriors and doing something through the channel to kind of benefit the organization, as well as find ways to give back to you guys, my subscribers, is something that I'm really looking to do. So check out the merch down below. Not much, still kind of a work in progress. So some of the sweatshirts, if you pick it up now, it may be something that may not be there in the next few weeks, but check it out and appreciate your guys' support. In today's video, I just wanted to bring you guys the final update for the Lone Warriors and our Operation TheraPic Photo a Day contest, where we're giving away that Canon EOS Rebel T7. But before I ramble on too long, I've noticed in these videos, the viewer duration of these are a lot shorter than my traditional moto vlog, and I think it's because I'm pretty horrible at this talking head setup. But what I'm gonna ask you guys to do is check out these photos that I'm gonna throw up on the screen here real quick that I've been kind of viewing, and let me know in the comments which photo number you like the most, because this is the last contest update, and whoever gets the most amount of views in this video, or most amount of votes, I should say, in this video for their photo, gets a bonus point, and that could make or break this camera going to an individual or not. So check out these photos, and I'll catch up with you guys in a second. Now those photos, guys, were just a small amount of the photos that we have received over the last close to 30 days. Take a look at some of these photos too that I'll just scroll through from our Facebook page, our closed group Operation TheraPic Platoon page. Check this out, guys. If you're looking at some of these photos, you see a wide variety of several different types of photography, whether it's wildlife, landscape, you know, dynamic tension, bridges, signs, colors, black and white. You know, it's just a wide variety of different types of topics that our individuals are taking photos of. And that's what I really like about this challenge. It's not just kind of go out there and upload a photo each and every day. It's go out there and capture this one unique topic that we put out for you guys to try to find. It's almost like photography hide and go seek. It also yields that therapeutic outlet for us, and then also that brotherhood, sisterhood that we're kind of looking for to create within the Operation TheraPic Photo a Day challenge, or the organization, the Lone Warriors. That's really what we're ideally trying to do. Now with this contest, this is the second contest that we were able to do in 2020, and I'm extremely grateful for that, especially from, you know, the subscriber out there that kind of blessed us with this camera to do a quick turn and burn contest. And I look forward to what FY21 brings for the organization. This contest has definitely stretched us as an organization, showed us what we're capable of doing, and, you know, the benefit that we could offer our veterans within the program. So it's a real quick video, guys. I don't really like doing these talking head videos. Weather's been kind of piss poor. Haven't been able to get out there on the bike. So hopefully you guys did enjoy this video. Be sure again to comment below which photo you like the best with the number. That way we could go ahead and, you know, tally these up. I'm looking to announce the winner before Christmas time. As you guys can tell by that short scroll of our platoon page is we have a lot of photos to go through, a lot of numbers to tally up, and then also bring you guys along with us for the journey when we announce the winner before Christmas. Like always, guys, I really appreciate the support. Thanks for tuning into another video, and this is Motorsarge signing out. All right, we're not done yet. Forgot to mention, guys, the photo in the thumbnail was credit to one of our veterans within the program. You guys can follow him on Instagram. It's Not Too Much, NOTT #2 much. So check him out. All right.
Hard work, I do it for play.